Hello friends, today it is very well known to us that DNA is a genetic material. But in the 20th century, there was much controversy over the genetic material. So friends, today we will see the experiment Hershey and Martha Chase which proved that DNA is a genetic material using bacteriophages. Bacteriophages are the viruses of the bacteria. That means they can infect the bacteria. Bacteriophages composed of DNA and protein coat. You can see the general structure of the bacteriophages in the diagram. Outer layer is of protein. Inside that there is a DNA and tail. This is the general structure of the bacteriophages. When viruses infect the bacteria, their genetic material is incorporated into the bacterial cell. So, these scientists discovered whether DNA or protein enters into the bacterial cell. For this, they grow some viruses on radioactive phosphorus containing media to obtain radio-labeled DNA viruses and some viruses on radioactive sulfur containing media to obtain radio-labeled protein containing viruses. Because in chemical structure of the DNA, phosphorus is present but sulfur is absent, and in chemical structure of the proteins, vice versa, means phosphorus is absent and sulfur is present. Thus, by this procedure, two types of viral cultures were obtained, that is one with radio-labeled DNA and one with radio-labeled protein. When viruses infect E. coli bacterial cell, the residual portion outside the bacterial cell were removed by the centrifugation process. Ultimately, at the end of the procedure, it was found that bacteria which were infected by radioactive DNA containing viruses were become radioactive. That means viral DNA enters into the bacterial cell, and bacteria which were infected with radioactive protein were remain non-radioactive. That means protein didn't enter into the cell. This suggests that DNA is a genetic material because DNA is incorporated into the bacterial cell. So friends, this is all about the Hershey and Chase experiment which proves that DNA is a genetic material. Thank you for watching.